how to use the chroma key tool on YouCut Video Editor app. So if you're working with something such as adding a green screen overlay, the chroma tool is the best tool to use with YouCut Video Editor app. As always, make sure you have the latest update. And now to get access to the chroma tool here, you're going to look for the PIP tool, which is the tool that will add the overlay. So go ahead and do that when you tap on that here, and I'll just use one of the materials here as an example to see and show how best it works. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and add this one here as you saw earlier, and once it appears here, you can choose to leave it as it is, or you can fill in the entire video frame. All right, and it depends on what you're hoping to achieve. Okay, but I'm going to show you now how the chroma tool works. So once you have your video like this, you can now go ahead and look for the chroma, which once you have the video overlay selected, you'll see all these tools and chroma is going to become available. Once you tap on it, you will see this little circle with the pointer. Placing it onto the color you want to remove is what it's going to select. And you'll notice the circle will now change to that specific color. So I'll move it to the green because the green is what I want to remove. So now that the circle is in a green color, what I'm telling YouCut to do now is the color I picked is green, and I want to remove all the green of this video overlay. The strength area here is increasing how much of that specific color is removed, and you don't want to do too much because in some cases there may be a bit of green within the area of which you don't want to remove. But just as an example, I'll show you now. I'll leave it to maybe around 80%. Once I press the check mark now here, you'll notice the green screen is now gone. And this here in return now, I can of course now adjust the size of it again and place this somewhere else whereas the main video plays. And just to give you an example here, when I play the video here, this is now going to be there, and yeah, that's how the chroma works. So chroma is going to work best for green screen, even blue screen, or anything that has a solid bright color in the background that's different from the main object that you're focusing on. Chroma key is going to work for that. All right, like and sub.